Day 44 of the farmers' protest, and they'll be taking out several tractor marches today. The tractor rally against farm laws has started from Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh towards Palwal in Haryana. The protesting farmers from all Delhi borders will converge on the eastern and western peripheral expressways. The 20-kilometer-long march will start from 11 a.m. More tractors are set to arrive from Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan to Tikri and Singhu border. Farmers are mobilizing for the big agitation which is expected to take place on January 26. This is being referred to as a trailer of what's to come. More than 40 farm unions are protesting against the 3 laws that have been passed by the government, and they've been protesting along Delhi's borders. They've met senior central ministers 8 times, but the meetings have not led to any breakthrough. Tomorrow is when the next round of talks is slated to happen.
ट्रैक्टर रैली चलेंगे, लेकिन आज रिहर्सल है और 26 तारीख की ये तैयारी है एक किस्म से।
कहां से कहां तक आपका दौरा रहेगा?
ये यहाँ से रहेंगे, हम डासना जाएंगे, डासना से फिर अलीगढ़ रोड पर जाएंगे और अलीगढ़ रोड पर वहाँ रुकेंगे, वहाँ लंगर भंडारा होगा, फिर वहाँ से वापसी आएंगे। ये रहेगा।
तो नोएडा वाले जो ट्रैक्टर हैं सारे उनको कैसे?
वो नोएडा वाले ट्रैक्टर आगे जाएंगे, वे पलवल तक जाएंगे। ये 2 पार्ट में कराए क्योंकि 130 किलोमीटर के आसपास बैठता है ये यहाँ से, और अगर पलवल हम जाएंगे तो लंबा बैठता है, तो इनको 2 हिस्सों में कर दिया इसको।
क्या कुछ आपकी तैयारी है प्रशासन की तरफ?
ये तैयारी पूरी है ट्रैक्टर रैली को लेकर के। जहाँ पे हाईवे पे जहाँ कट है हर जगह ड्यूटियां लगाई गई हैं, और जो इनकी रैली निकल रही है उसमें भी जगह जगह ड्यूटियां लगाई हैं, जिससे कि कहीं कोई दिक्कत ना आए।
खास तौर पर चूंकि केएमपी एक मुख्य सड़क है जोड़ने की, यहाँ से डासना जाएंगे और डासना से फिर केएमपी पे चलेंगे, तो क्या आज लगता है ट्रैफिक को लेकर के भी कोई अवरोध होगा? किस तरीके की तैयारी उसको लेकर?
नहीं, प्रत्येक जगह जैसा जहाँ पे ऐसी कोई संभावना है वहाँ पे डाइवर्जन लगाया गया।
आगे के लिए जिस तरीके से संख्या बढ़ रही है किसानों की, उसको लेकर के क्या इंतजाम आपके पास?
नहीं, आगे भी शांतिपूर्ण ही रहेगा, सारी व्यवस्थाएं हैं, शांतिपूर्ण ही चलेगा आगे भी।
From Tiranga to tractor, every color you will see at the protest site right now at the Gazipur border, where there is a tractor rally going on, and that will lead from Gazipur towards Palwal through KMP highway, which is also known as Eastern and Western Peripheral Highway. You can see several of the tractors are lined up right now here with the tricolor, with the Tiranga and with different flags. And there is a plan to march towards several points towards KMP. We have Mr. Vic with us. Mr. Vic, what are your plans? क्या आप लोगों का प्लान है?
देखिए, आज देश के संयुक्त मोर्चे का कार्यक्रम था, जिसके अंदर आज देश का किसान जहां पूरे देश में रिहर्सल परेड करेगा, वहीं इन मोर्चों पर जो किसान आज बैठा है वो ट्रैक्टर लेकर जो केएमपी है दिल्ली का आउटर रिंग रोड, उस पर बड़ी संख्या में तिरंगा लगाकर रिहर्सल परेड कर सरकार को संदेश देगा कि 26 तारीख का ये एक ट्रेलर है। 26 तारीख को देश का लाखों किसान दिल्ली के अंदर एक तरफ देश का जवान परेड करेगा, एक तरफ देश का किसान परेड करेगा।
तो show you that on several tractors, almost all the tractors, there is a Tiranga flag which is fluttering right now, and there is a different flag which is the farmers' own flag, and you can see that here is written Kisan Ekta Morcha Gazipur. Kale Kanun Wapas Lo means they want the black law, the 3 laws which have been passed by Parliament. Those should be repealed.
And let me take this across to Ashutosh Mishra. He's joining us live from the Singhu border. Ashutosh, good morning. Give us a sense of what really the situation is on the ground. I see tractors lined up all around you. There is going to be no doubt a showdown on the cards because they are planning to block off the eastern and western peripheral highway.
Well, this showdown that farmers have called will be for 2 hours. And most of the trucks are not actually those who were stationed at Singhu border, but they came overnight from Haryana and Punjab. And that's a massive number. That's a massive number in hundreds of these tractors. And this is actually not a tractor parade, but rehearsal. And if you would remember that Farmers Sanjukta Morcha gave a call that there will be tractor parade exactly in the theme of Republic Day parade from Singhu and different borders to inside the Delhi territory. And today is only a parade rehearsal where exactly these tractors are marching from Kondli to Tikri border. So there will be multiple locations from Tikri border. These farmers will be coming towards Singhu border. Via N road from Kundli Singhu border to Tikri border. 20 kilometers this march at one junction. They all will meet together and then further they will disperse and go back to their previous position. Remember, the farmers indeed called up that this is going to be a show strength as they want to convey the message and also one strategy to put pressure on the government. So this is clearly one strategy that farmers have adopted to mount pressure on the government, as we know why they are here for last 43 days against the farm laws, mainly the farmers, those who have come from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and different other states including Western Uttar Pradesh have joined this protest march here with this huge traffic on the peripheral express. At the multiple pockets, the police from UP and Haryana, which comes in their respective territories, have blocked the way as they know the tractor march could disrupt the traffic. But let me also show you how this protest march have been called. That one side of the blockade, half of the stretch is now dedicated for the tractors rally, but other side of the stretch, this portion is open for the traffic, where I can say the police vehicle passing, normal vehicles are passing, and other lane of this peripheral expressway is open for routine traffic. While ensuring they have a peaceful protest march, tractor parade, rehearsal on this expressway, the farmers have also ensured the half of the expressway is open for the smooth traffic for the heavy vehicles, those who are passing from one state to another through this peripheral expressway. But for now, the crowd, the number is increasing.
Right.
The farmers' number increasing. The tractors, there is hundreds in number, and that's more than 500 to 600 meter length here on the peripheral expressway. Akshita.
All right, Ashutosh, thank you for getting us a ground report. We keep coming across to you to get a sense of what the situation is on the ground. Farmers coming together saying that this is just a trailer of what you can expect on Republic Day.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.